Use the correct oil type and capacity for a 2021 Jeep Wrangler. The following information has been verified from the owner's manual. If you own any version of the 2021 Jeep Wrangler with a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder turbo engine, it will need 5W30 oil and has a capacity of 5 quarts. The 3.0-liter 6-cylinder diesel fuel turbo engine requires a 5W40 oil type and has a capacity of 9 quarts. If you have a 3.6-liter engine, the oil needed is 5 quarts of 0W20. The 6.4-liter 8-cylinder engine has an oil capacity of 6.7 quarts and will need motor oil with a 0W40 viscosity. Upgrade your oil with AMSOIL. Check out these real testimonials. Get the best made in USA oil by clicking the link in the description below.